Hello, sweethearts. Welcome to tutorial for Perdón by Nicky and Enrique Iglesias. This is one of my very favorite salsa numbers, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We start with a little step to the side. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and left foot salsa's front, 5 and 6, right foot front, 7 and 8. Back to left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right foot, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And the hands are going to be on the cross body. Cross, open. Opposition arm reaching forward, opposite arm reaching forward. We're also going to use the hips going to the side. Let's see it both sides and we'll do it to the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Back, left, and 2 and 3 and 4. Opposite. You're just reaching forward and pulling into you. Let's see it facing the front. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and salsa. Left 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Great, now we're going to take it up next section up to the mirror, little double salsa step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we go out, out, and in, out, out, and in. Right, left, left, right. It goes out, out, in, out, out, and in. And then the arms are going to come out, out, in, out, out, in. So putting those together, we go up to the right, front. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And we take it to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 4 little steps and hips. 5, 6, 7, 8, and arms are going to come out. 6, 7, 8. Repeats going back to the right. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Right, left, right. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 taps, and this time the arms are going to come towards you. 5, 6, 7, 8. So going to the front, the arms come away with the hips. Pop, pop, and when we go to the back, they come to 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see both sides to the front. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Arms out. 6, 7, back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you can, use those hips up, and up. Beautiful. Now the arms to the side are just swooping, and the hips are going up, before we take it front or to us. Time for the chorus. We start with the right foot, nice and easy to the front. 1 and 2, left foot back, 3 and 4. And the right foot goes behind, 5 and 6, left foot, 7 and 8. Then it goes back, right foot 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Left foot 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now arms are just simple salsa, front and back, as we go behind and behind. Then we take opposition foot that goes back arm and it scoops around 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then the left foot is free to go to the front, opposite side this time. Back, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's see it facing the front. Chorus. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Left foot leads front. Right back, left back, right back. Scoop and go. Right foot back and go. 7 and 8. Now one addition if you'd like to do during the chorus, in the very first salsa front and back, we can always add a turn. So the right foot can go 1 and 2, 3, and 4, and then pick right back up with the behind 5 and 6, 7, and 8 before the scoop. Same thing with the left foot. You can do salsa front and back simple, or you do a turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Scoop and scoop. Great, so we go from the very top again. We go through the whole thing. We start to the side. 4 of these, opposition arms, we take it back. On the second verse, as we take it back on the left side, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It says corazon. So we take our little half heart and our half heart before we take it up on the second time. Up and up. Remember, right, left, left, right, to the side, to the side. When we come to the front, we take the arms away from us. Out, 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 out. Take it back and back. Same feet. Out, out, in, out, in, side with the hips. Soft hands, hips and taps. 1, bring arms towards you. 7, 8. To go right back into that chorus. Front and back. Side, side, side scoop, opposite leg. The third time through, we do everything the same, except for after we come here for our fourth one, we're going to go right back into the chorus instead of up to the mirror. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and chorus on the third time, front and back. And remember, you can also do the turn and back. And then we're in, taking it up to the mirror, tap, tap, pa, pa, side and side. 4 taps, tap, tap, and back. Last time, 2, 3, and 4. Right, left, right side, left, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it. Let's see all those sections really quick, facing the front. From the top, we go side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Repeat. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Remember, on the second time through, we have a little heart, We take it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Out, out, in, out. Smooth arms, hips, and hips. Bring them. 1, 2. Take it back to go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Out, out, in, out, in, side and side. Hands to you. Hip, salsa chorus. Front and back. Side back, scoop around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side, show the turn. 1 and 2, optional 3 and 4. Back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's all the choreography. It's a gorgeous song. Let's dance it.